You're watching something, picture looks great, then a few minutes in, it goes soft, blurry, and your internet is fine, so what's going on? It's not your TV, and it's not random. There's a specific reason, and once you know it, you can stop it. Streaming apps don't lock your video to one quality, they're constantly watching your connection, and the moment it wobbles, they quietly lower the picture to keep things playing. It's called adaptive streaming, and it's happening without you knowing. Here's the key thing. Speed isn't what matters. Stability does. If your connection dips for even 2 or 3 seconds, the app drops the quality. By the time it recovers, the damage is done. That's the blurry picture. There are 3 reasons this happens. First, your TV's Wi-Fi antenna is much weaker than your phone's. Even if your phone shows full signal in the same room, your TV might be getting an unstable connection from the same router. Walls and distance hit TVs harder than anything else. Second, every device on your network is sharing bandwidth. If someone's downloading or streaming on another device at the same time, your TV takes a hit. It doesn't feel like it's affecting anything, but the TV notices. Third, streaming apps are designed to keep video playing above everything else. They'd rather quietly drop the picture quality than let it pause for 2 seconds. No warning, no notification. The picture just gets worse, and most people never realize it happened. Now let's fix it. First, set quality manually. On YouTube, go into quality settings while a video is playing and pick the highest option. On Netflix, go into account settings and set playback quality to high. Don't leave it on auto. Auto means the app decides. You want to be the one deciding. Second, stabilize your connection. If you can run an Ethernet cable from your router to your TV, do it. Wired connections don't fluctuate, quality locks in and stays there. If that's not possible, move your router closer to the TV. Even a few feet makes a difference. Third, reduce the load on your network. While you're watching, pause downloads on other devices. Ask people to hold off on heavy usage. It sounds too simple. But removing the competition on your network is sometimes all it takes. Lastly, restart your TV before you watch, not just the app, the whole TV. Background processes build up over time and slow things down. A fresh start clears all of that. So if your picture drops mid-watch, now you know why. It's the app reacting to your connection in real time. Fix the connection, set quality manually, reduce network load, do those 3 things and the blurry picture stops. If this helped, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.